Hey, it's George and Em.
And we're the girls at Bayleys.
We've just enjoyed a 30-minute boat ride to here, Opua Bay in the Tory Channel, where we are so excited to show you our new listing, a traditional Kiwiana beach.
Welcome to the main beach. It doesn't get more waterfront than this.
With multiple dwellings located on the property, offering great living options, here is the Cosy Lounge, and Em is going to show you the resort.
Offering great accommodation with spectacular views. This property is sold fully furnished with a half share and a fixed jetty and a mooring.
If this property looks like you and you'd like to organise a viewing, give us, the girls at Bayleys, a call today.